Hey everybody, it's Mr. Krager, in case you forgot what I look like. Here I am. Hope everybody's surviving, finding things to do. Well, here's some new things for us to do if you have your recorder at home and you've got your book at home. We're going to play some music. Keep going on and try to learn those new notes that we haven't learned this year and just have a little fun and play some recorders. So might want to put your book in front of you so you can see the notes. I'll kind of talk about where we're at, but you won't be able to see if I point. My music is down here, but I'll put up the fingers like my other videos that you've seen me do, and we'll have some fun and play the recorder. Okay? All right. So let's start. I think right after we left, we're getting ready for the music festival. Sorry about that. Nothing we can do about that. But I think the last note we learned was an F, I believe. We may have learned an E, but we're going to start on page 21, where it introduces the F note, which is 3 down the G plus 1 more. Don't forget about your thumb back there. Okay. We're going to play. Let's see what's a good one to start with, just for a warm-up. Let's start on page 21. Let's start on line number 3. It says Welsh Lullaby. We're going to play that one first, okay? It's simple. It's a one-liner, easy to warm up, okay? So look at it. That first note's an F. It's on that first space. Remember, F-A-C-E on the spaces. So it's going to be an F, G, A, G, F, G. I won't play the first 2 measures. Listen. I'm sorry. Let me start over. F, G, A, G, F, G. Play along. Here we go. Ready? Try again. Ready? Good. And now the last 2 measures is going to be F, G, A, G, A, F. That one's different. The other one is the same as the first one. F, G, A, G, A, F. Listen. Try it. Ready? Play. Okay, let's try again. Ready? Go. Now we're going to play the whole line. F, G, A, G, F, G, F, G, A, G, A, F. Ready? You get it? Try it again. Ready? Play. Now, notice at the very end, double dot, double line is a repeat sign. We're supposed to play this song twice. So play the end, repeat back to the beginning. So we're going to do this time straight through, repeat it, and then end it. Here we go. Ready? Play. There you have it. If you have trouble with that, just rewind the video and play with me again, okay? If you have a little trouble with it still. But now we're going to move on. And I think we're going to go on to the next page. Let me see what's over here. Page 22. Let's see here. Hey, oh, we haven't talked about this yet. Look at number 2 on page 22. It's called smooth slurs. This is something we haven't talked about yet. At the beginning of the school year, we tongue everything, right? To, teach you how to tongue. Now, we're going to change that rule just a little bit. When they ask you to slur, they want you to not tongue. So like those first 2 notes, so look on the smooth slurs number 2. It says the F to a G, and it's got that slur line underneath it connecting the 2. So what they want you to do is they want you to tongue the first note, but just slur the second note, which means just to lift your finger up and don't retongue, just blow. Listen. Two. It's called a slur. So we're only tonguing the first note, not the second one. Listen. Try it again. Try it with me. Ready? Again. Now, if you notice, on measure 1, I'm pointing like you can see this. Measure 1 is F, G, F, G, quarter notes, and you're slurring both of those. So they want you to tongue both of the Fs and slur both the Gs. So it's going to be two. Listen. Here I tongue those Fs. Two. If you're having trouble doing it, practice it a few times before you go on. Pause the video and practice it a little bit. This is something new. We haven't done this yet. So listen again, or play along if you'd like. Okay, now to add one more thing, look at the next measure. They're half notes, 2 counts each, but it's still an F and a G. And look, they want you to tongue the F and slur the G. So listen, here's how those first 2 measures go. Why do I hold those last 2 notes longer? Because they're half notes, right? Two. So it's going to be two. Try it with me. Here we go. Okay, tongue slur, tongue slur, tongue slur. Try it one more time. Ready, go. Okay, let's do it again. Then we'll go on to the last part of the song. Okay, now, next part. F, G, A, G, F. That's easy. F, G, A, G, F. Pick it up, put it down, put it down. Okay, but now look at the slurring pattern. Two. Listen. Now, I know what's going to happen, because this happens a lot when I teach this song to 4th graders. It's not my first rodeo. I've been doing this a long time. Be careful, because when you play that A, G, F, many students want to slur that F too and go, two. Can't do it. Tongue, slur, tongue, two. Be careful. A lot of people get lazy and do that. Two. That's not how it's written. Okay? So we're going to play two. Listen. Try it with me. Ready? Play. Again. Ready? Play. Try again. Ready, play. Now, I know this could be a little challenging because it's brand new. So what you should do if you haven't got that yet, either pause the video and try it on your own, or rewind it just a little bit and play along with me again. Okay? Don't go on until you have that tongue slur part down. Practice that. Okay? Sometimes it takes some practice to get that down. Now, but I'm going to go on. So if you're not ready to go on yet to the whole song, pause it or rewind it. Make sure you have that concept of slurring down before you continue. Okay? All right. So we're going to go on now. If you're ready to go, here we go. We're going to do the whole line. Okay? So it's going to be F, G, F, G, F, G, F, G, A, G, F, or tongue slur, tongue slur, tongue slur, tongue slur, tongue slur, tongue. Ready? Good. Try it again. Ready? Go. Good. Now, repeat that at the end. We're going to play the whole thing all the way through, both 2 times. Okay? Here we go. Ready? All right. Now, still working on that. Rewind the video. That's why it's there. Keep practicing over and over again until you get that tongue and slurring down. I know this is something we haven't done before. So keep on practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.